Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Stephanie and I am an eBay reseller doing that part-time for many years. By day I am this, I do the marketing for a software company. Today I'm going to be doing a fun box unboxing. I haven't done one in a really long time. I have a few of them here. That's not the problem. The problem is I load up my schedule with so many things to do. I can barely have time to do. I don't have time to do a lot of the things I like to do. But anyway, so I'm a little bit run late tonight, but here is a video. I wanted to first share with you before the fun box that as you probably know, I do some designing using, I start out using AI and I take the images and I bring them into Canva and I bring them into different programs. And I make designs. And one of the designs I make is this one. It says, "Don't make me bite you." And it's a cute little baby hippo. I'm nothing if not goofy, okay? I love baby hippos, first of all. I am not on TikTok anymore, but I was on TikTok and baby hippos were quite the thing, and they still are, I think. And there was a baby hippo on TikTok that was famous for kind of like being kind of sassy and biting its owner. And I just thought this was a funny t-shirt. "Don't make me bite you" is what it says. All right, I am putting these for sale on my eBay store. But before I do, I have 4 of them that I'm going to put out there. And I'm just going to kind of show you. They're brand new t-shirts, by the way. These are not used or anything. And they're powder blue, and I have 2 larges and 2 mediums. And the sizing, by the way, is generous on them. Quail Hollow, if you want to know, Quail Hollow is the brand name of the t-shirts. They are 100% ring spun cotton. Just to show you the, let me show you the tag here. So they are, I have, like I said, I have, this is a size large. And this is kind of, they're not huge on the t-shirt, but they're good conversation starters. And "don't make me bite you." I don't know what you know what, if you're like, what does that mean? It's just funny is all it is, really. But I love wearing this kind of stuff because it always starts good conversations. And people know I'm a little offbeat, which I love because I am a little offbeat. Okay, anyway, they are, if you would like one, I will sell them for less than I'm listing them on my eBay store. $15 is how much I would charge for these t-shirts. And so $15 each. I only have 4 available, 2 medium, 2 large. I do have 1 more of the transfers. So if I run out by chance and you want a different size, I think I have it in a couple different sizes. I have a ton of brand new t-shirts. So anyway, let me know, mystuffstyle@gmail.com if you would like one. Otherwise, they're going to go in my eBay store and they're going to cost more on the eBay store. So 15 is a pretty good deal on that. All right, $5 shipping for that and for anything you want in this video. If you would like anything from this video, $5 shipping for as many things as you care to get. Here is my fun box. It's a little bit heavy. I always get a little excited when things are a little heavier because it's, you know, I don't know why. It really doesn't make any sense. I mean, you could get something, you could get an $80 headband for, you know, and those are lightweight. So there's 1 piece of tape on here and they did a good job packaging it. There's no holes in the bottom. And yeah, let's open this baby up. It's kind of passe talking about where they're from anymore because they're all from the same place, right? All right, let's open and here we go. See what we got. Make sure that it's a fun box. Yes, it is. Fun box, 10 items. As you know, I once got a box that was labeled something and then it was something else. So you just never know. You just never know what you're gonna get. Okay. All right. Ooh, yay! Pink theme. Oh my gosh. It's pink theme, it looks like. I love that. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Okay. Oh, I don't know where to start. Okay, I'm going to start with these cute hats. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a bag of hats. Now, a lot of times when ThredUp puts a fun box together, they'll put many items in one bag and they consider that one item. So, and by the way, I will have pricing on the screen for these things. This is too cute. M Union hat. All right, so what do you think? Look, okay, I look like a railroad conductor. Okay, is that a little bit better? All right, there we go. That is too cute. I actually love this hat, but it is a tiny bit small for me. It says, it doesn't give a size. It's 70% cotton, 30% polyester. It's probably about a size medium. I must have a big head. We all know I have a lot of hair. That's for one thing. But anyway, that hat, okay. And the next hat is this unbranded, well, or is it? Let's see. It's kind of a periwinkle daisy hat. Now that's cute. That's really cute. I like that. But I won't wear that. I just won't. I just won't. So anyway, that'll be for sale. All right, and then finally, if this doesn't sell, I'm gonna be shocked. I'm really gonna be shocked. This is so, okay, what in the heck are you talking about? Look at this. Look at this thing. Okay, wait. Look. Oh my God, it's a frog hat. And it looks a little bit like Kermit the Frog. It's brand, all these hats look new, by the way. They don't have any wear to them. I can't take the cuteness of that hat. That is so, so cute. So, all right, the 3 hats. We've got the 3 hats. I'll just say I'm going to ask $5 each for those hats. They're really cute. Okay, next up, this is a good sign. I got some cute things. All right, next up is this Vera Bradley, what? I don't know. It's super cute. The pattern's adorable. I love these flowers. There is the brand name down the bottom. And there we go. By the way, got some chrome nails going on. I got my nails done short because I work on the computer a lot. You can't get anything done when you're kind of sitting there mistyping because your nails are too long. So I got them cut short this time. Anyway, I think this is a glasses holder, but I'm not positive. So maybe you can tell me. But it's whatever it is, it's adorable. I really like that a lot. All right, I like that. By the way, for anyone who might not know this, fun boxes are, I can't even remember. What are they? $34, I believe. $34 plus shipping and tax. I believe they are, yes. I don't know what this is, but they are nice. These are nice. What brand are they? I don't know. I've got 3 adorable fringe pom-poms. They feel like real leather. Are they? These are real leather. I don't see any branding on them though. It looks like they're, I'm gonna have to research this. I'm not exactly sure. Oh, here, okay. Okay, this is one thing. I don't see these. Okay, by the way, I don't see any branding, but these are some really nice leather. Really, really beautiful, soft leather. And then this one is by itself, but it's still in the wrapping. So we've got these 3. I love the combination of orange and hot pink. I love that. That is super cute. Okay, they're pom-poms for your purse, I gather. For when you're kicking around, you can have these things, right next to you. So, boy, oh boy. They kind of stuffed them in a tiny little bag is the only thing. Okay. All right. Leather purse pom-poms, no branding that I could see. I'll look a little bit further after this video. All right, next up is, here's what we have. See, we've got this pink. I mean, I love pink. You probably know that. I love pink. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Volando, V-L-A-N-D-O, Volando. Never heard of it, but this is really cute. Is it real leather? I don't know, but it's got like that Saffiano kind of, not Saffiano, but kind of a textured feel. And this looks new, by the way. Look at this, how cute this is. It's got the pocket here, and then it's got this for the rings, and this for whatever you want to put in there. I don't know what this is. Maybe a divider. Yeah, you put that in there as a divider, wherever you want. And then it zips. It looks like it's never been used. It's pretty new. So, really nice. Really nice. I like that a lot. Okay. There's so many cute things in here. I can't take how cute. Oh, wow. All right. This is what? This is a travel folding carry bag. Wind blows, walking in the air, river flows. No clue. All right, this is a travel carry bag. Travel folding carry bag. Huh. If you can kind of look at, you can kind of see what that is. I don't know exactly, but I understand you would bring this with you. You have it folded so it doesn't take a lot of space. And then, you can use it while you're on vacation. It doesn't take a lot of extra space. So, kind of give you an idea what it looks like on the back. And then this is what it looks like on the front. cute. It's kind of like a dark peachy, pinky kind of color. All right. All right. Boy, there is some random stuff in here. All right, headbands. What's a fun box without headbands? I used to say what's a fun box without Mestizo, but that's kind of come to an end. So actually, I will say Mestizo, I have to give them credit. They had some cute items. All right, Wild Fable hair clip. Psychedelic. Pink and orange again. If you like pink and orange, you are super in luck today. All right, we got the Mestizo hair clip. The price tag's still on it for $5. We've got this kind of crosshatch woven. It's very lightweight headband. Actually kind of nice. I don't see any markings on it. Looks like it, oh no, it's not. It's not leather, but okay, there's that one. Then we've got a Kini bands, Kini, K-I-N-I. And it's this really pretty kind of metallic, velvety kind of thing. And then last but not least, we've got Live Your Life, $9.95. American Eagle. You wrap your ponytail with it, and then it looks like there's a scarf coming off your ponytail. That's really cute. All right. Lots of accessories. People must send in all these accessories thinking they're going to be sold on ThredUp, but ThredUp doesn't sell any of this stuff. So, surprise for them, right? Okay. Next up is something really cute, and why can't it be my size? Why? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding? This is for Love and Lemons. That is really, it's designer. I can send this into the Real, and it's so cute. I want it to be my size. Oh, for the days of my 20s and 30s when I wore a size extra small. Ooh, ooh. But it's all good. This is one of the cutest things I've seen. Oh my gosh. For Love and Lemons is beyond. I don't care. It's like they know what my taste is. Look at this. Look at this thing. I mean, how cute. Look at the buttons. I can't take how cute that is. And then this comes up. Oh my gosh. And then it's got three. Okay, this was worth some money. This is, okay, yeah, here we go. U.S. price, $109. $109. This is gorgeous. Oh my heavens. If you know someone a size extra small, oh, it is just gorgeous. That I can send that into the Real. I could. Or I could sell it. I'm sure it would sell fast on eBay, but it'll be for sale here too. Okay. What would a box be without these socks that are going in my drawer? Sorry, but I love these kind of socks. These are socks from TJ Maxx, $5.99. I will be keeping those. I like ankle socks that are kind of supportive on your foot, and these are perfect. So, yay for the socks. I'm keeping those. Still quite a few, not quite a few, still two things left. All right, we've got the token pop socket here. I've never used a pop socket. I probably would like to have one. I don't know. Might have to keep that. I think I will, actually. It's probably so cheap, it's not worth selling. Anyway, all right, and next up, are you ready for the next one? Because it is so ridiculously cute. Oh my gosh. Don't let it be my size. It is my size. All right. Peanuts pajamas. What? Look at them. They're so, it's Snoopy. Snoopy pajamas, and it's short sleeve. But I probably won't keep these because I'm just going to be honest with you here. I wear a t-shirt and shorts to bed every night of the year. Doesn't matter. I mean, I have a whole drawer full of shorts and t-shirts that I wear for, I don't like pajamas. I just like shorts and t-shirts. Old t-shirts that I don't wear during the day anymore. Yeah. Monkey Peanuts. I'm going to show you the tag here. Super, super cute buttons down the front. It's stretchy. I don't know what the material is. Let's see. I'm going to tell you what the material is because I don't know about you, but I have to have cotton. I'm not going to wear any polyester or nylon during the nighttime. That's for sure. Okay, I don't see a tag saying what the material is. Here we go. It is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So I'm so picky about material, it's ridiculous. If you want to buy this, I would love to sell it to you because I would keep it, but I can't wear polyester. It doesn't breathe well enough for me. All right, and then we've got the matching pants. Yeah, they're also a large. So $2.24 Peanuts Worldwide LLC. Monkey Peanuts. pants to go, and plus I would never wear pants. Even when it's 30 below outside, I wear shorts to bed. Okay. Those are adorable. Size large. Super cute pajama set. I've never heard of Monkey, but by the way, I shouldn't be, you know what, these feel like they would breathe pretty well, so I might be wrong. They might breathe well. But either way, they are going to be for sale. This set's adorable. It's brand new. This is one of the best fun boxes I have gotten in a really long time. I'm super excited about it. So if you're interested in buying any of these items, you know what? I'm not sure if I said that this was, did I say this was an extra small? I think I did. I don't ever think I showed you the tag though. Here's the tag for the Love or Lemons one. And it's for Love or Lemons for Victoria's Secret. There must have been a collaboration that they did. I don't know. Or else they just sell that there. I don't know. But it's a size extra small. I don't know. I could save it for when I'm going to be an extra small. But I don't think I am going to be an extra small. I like to eat, you know, I'd like to eat food sometimes. And so, anyway, all right. So if you would like any of these items, please send me an email to mystuffstyle@gmail.com. I will send you an invoice via PayPal. And thank you so much for tuning in. By the way, if you like my content, please do subscribe. Once I hit 800 subscribers, I am going to be doing a giveaway. And I so appreciate you. Thank you so much.